Wonder Reef is the world's first buoyant reef just minutes from shore, where 9 underwater sculptures, towering almost 22 metres above the seafloor, move like giant kelp. You can pause at different depths of this vertical drop, dive to witness the ever-changing ecosystem. Wonder Reef has been designed to attract and sustain a rich diversity of marine life where the inhabitants are constantly changing and every dive will be different. Explore swim-throughs with Indian scad baitfish, giant gold-spotted rock cods, Queensland gropers. Admire the flourishing coral as it evolves over time. Based on other people diving there, sea hares for sure, probably at the top and bottom of the structure. But because we haven't surveyed this site before for sea slugs, it'll be interesting to find what other species will be there, whether it's side gills, head shields, or just your common sea slug. We'll be collecting the turbidity, we'll be collecting the temperature, water temperature, and other conditions that we find out there. And we'll also be recording probably the wind direction that we've been having lately that may have influenced the conditions that we find there today.